I'm Anil Kumar, and in these set of videos we are going to understand geometric mean and apply geometric mean in right triangles. Now let us first understand what is geometric mean. Let us say we have a set of numbers who are in kind of geometric series. Let me write numbers as 1. 1 times 3 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So what you notice here is that 1 over 3 is equal to 3 over 9, right? If you cross multiply, you get 9 equals to 9, correct? So let's take another set of numbers. Let us say we are taking very small numbers to understand the concept. So let us say 5 times 2 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20. So what you observe here is that 5 over 10 is equal to 10 over 20, right? So you kind of get a proportion which is like these are the two extreme numbers. So 5 over the geometric mean, this number 10 is the geometric mean for us. 5 over that center number is equals to center number divided by the other extreme, correct? So if you don't know this number, we can actually find it. Let us say we take an example as 2 and 18. And we don't know this number, which is the geometric mean of these two numbers. In that case, we can find this number by writing 2 over x is equal to x over 18, right? So that gives us x squared. So we can solve it by saying 18 times 2 cross multiply, which is 36, equals to x squared, or x is equals to square root of 36, which indeed is 6, right? So we get the number. So what we find is that if we need to find geometric mean of two numbers, those two are referred to here as two extreme numbers and mean is in the center. So geometric mean is square root, positive square root of product of these two numbers, correct? As you've seen here, and those number examples which help you understand the concept. So here is the definition. When the mean of a proportion, so this is a proportion, are same numbers. So when you say 5 over 10 and 10 over 2 actually is what? Is half, right? In this particular case is the same number for both. In this case it was 1 over 3, right? When the mean of a proportion are same number, that number is called geometric mean of the extremes. So these two numbers are being referred to as the extremes. The geometric mean between two numbers is the positive square root of their product. That is what we observed, right? So when you cross multiply, you get a square, and these are the product of extreme values. X value square root of their product, right? The geometric mean of two numbers a and b is the number x such that a over x equals to x over b. So we have generalized the statement, let the numbers be a and b and this geometric mean be x. Then we can write it in proportions, and these proportions have to be equal, correct? A over x equals to x over b. So when you cross multiply, you get x squared equals to ab and x equals to square root of AB. So that is the definition of geometric mean, and I hope with this the concept of geometric mean is absolutely clear. We are going to apply this in right triangles, especially when in a right triangle you drop a perpendicular from one of the vertices which is forming a right triangle. Then we'll end up in three similar triangles with a lot of geometric means to work about. So we'll look into those details in coming videos. Now here is a practice question. Find geometric mean between each pair of numbers 7 and 28, 8 and 6. You can just practice. So 8 and 6, geometric mean x will be equals to square root of product of 8 and 6. So 8 times 6, which is 48, is square root of 48, right? 48 is 16 times 3, correct? 16 is 4 square root, right? So this could be written as 4 square root 3. So get into practice of writing or working out with radicals. In this particular case, we can say x is equals to square root of 7 times 28. Now 28 is product of 4 and 7. So it's a good idea to think like this: 7 times 4 times 7, right? So I'm just telling you how you can use square roots, find the answer without using calculators. 7 square root will be 7, 4 square root is 2, so the answer is 14. So like this you can get geometric mean, right? So these calculations will really help you to solve geometry problems relating to right triangles. So we'll discuss them in the coming videos. I hope you've understood the concept and you're ready to move on to the next set of videos. Thank you and all the best.